Every single day, money moves through the Forex market. A lot of money, actually. And the best part, you don't actually have to be a huge financial expert on Wall Street to be able to grab your piece of that cake. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how exactly I make money every day trading the Forex market. Real talk, no get rich quick nonsense, just real strategies and the mindset that keeps me extremely consistent trading the Forex market. If you're new to Forex or looking for a way to level up your trading game, this video is actually for you. You don't want to miss it. You want to stick with me from start to finish as I break down how exactly I make money every day trading the Forex market. A lot of people actually think that being able to generate consistent, reliable income trading the market is either a scam or something only financial nerds can actually do. What you're going to be finding out today is I have actually developed a system that really works, and I'm going to be breaking all of that down for you. And how we'll be doing that is by using every single trade I've taken the entire trading week from Monday all the way to today. We've gone 5 for 5 in all these days, meaning that we've actually won every single trade we've taken on gold in every single one of the days of the trading week. So what we'll be doing today is me just basically breaking down every single trade I have taken this particular trading week. I'm going to be showing you how I did 100 pips on Monday, how I did over 370 on Tuesday, how we also did over 270 pips on Wednesday, how we did 120 pips yesterday, and then why we are also currently running in over 80 pips this morning trading gold. Add all of that up and it's actually almost 100 pips in just one single trading week. You're going to be discovering how exactly I remain consistent, how I take all these trades I take, why I rarely lose on every single one of my trades. And I also shared most of these trades with my trading community, so you don't want to actually miss out on that. Make sure you just hit the link in the description of this video to actually join my trading community on Telegram, where I drop amazing gold trading signals and also trading insights on a daily basis. So right here, guys, you can clearly see how my chart is looking. So when we come to Monday, this is how exactly the market looked like. You know what I always do? I always have my key levels there. Just basically my resistance and then my support, and then waiting to see how the market reacts on these key levels. So we just wait for the next candle to see if it's actually going to be a reversal or a breakout from this particular, resistance point. So just looking right at this particular candle, you realize that now this is a strong momentum candle from this particular point, meaning that I was expectant of a buy on gold, just a short-term buy very early in the morning. So now I just sent out a signal to my community. Stop loss was right below the strong momentum candle we had, which was one of my basic criteria for a breakout. So we ended up making about 100 pips from this trade, if I'm not mistaken. So after taking our trades, risks to reward, everything in place, now this is what happened on the market after we took our entries on this trade. Like I said, about 100 pips on this particular trade. So on Tuesday, also very early in the morning, this is how the market also looked for me. And you know what I always do, my resistance and obviously my support also there. The support also ended up being a break and a retest level. So obviously after this break and retest, we also expected the market to clearly from here also fly and go all the way up. And another condition for my breakout trades is multiple medium-sized candles. So if you look what happened here after this strong candle and then this break at the bottom, we ended up getting these multiple medium-sized candles. So right at the closure of this particular one, then our risk to reward also came in here. Stop loss right at the bottom of the range. Then your take profits are obviously discretional for you. Wherever you want to place them, it's all up to you. I ended up making over 370 pips from this. It was shared with the community for free as well. So right from here, just insane moves on this, insane moves, just broke through and then kept going all the way up. You realize that this is how we did 100 pips on Monday. Tuesday, also 370 pips shared with the community for free. Then on Wednesday as well, this is how the market looked when I saw it very early in the morning on Wednesday. So you know what we always do, like I said, one of the easiest ways you can actually make trading for yourself is just by marking your key levels and just leaving the market to just do the rest. Now after marking them out, I just wait for the market to just do the rest. So you see how extremely simple I apply my risk management, every single tool I have, and then it keeps being highly profitable for me every single time. So now I just wait for the market to just tap onto my key level, then I decide from there. So right at the closure of this candle, another trade just came in. Stop loss just right on the range over here. It was right somewhere here. So let's say we mark it out all the way to the top here for that to be our final take profit for the day. Let's see if we're gonna actually meet them. So this was for Wednesday, as you can clearly see the time at around 7 a.m. on Wednesday. Then we just move on from there. After taking the trades, it just goes and just smashes all our various take profit levels, comes back to entry, goes back all the way up, then hitting the final take profit we expected for the day. Another 270 pips move on gold, third trading day of the week. Monday, we've done 100 pips. Tuesday, 370 pips, all from buying gold. Wednesday, we took another buy position on gold. We made over 270 pips. Then, let's look at what happened on Thursday. So, this is Thursday morning. Our levels have changed. Our resistance, my support was down here. The market was currently here when I woke up in the morning. I wanted to see if it was going to just be a reaction here, drop down for a sell or another breakout. And as you can clearly see, another strong momentum candle here also indicated to me to expect another buy from here. After this strong momentum candle, what happened was we brought in our risk to reward stop loss right at the bottom. So we were risking about 40 pips for this setup, meaning that at least I want to make about 80 pips on this trade, but let's just raise it up to about 100. We're actually expecting NFP to drop on this particular day. So once fundamentals were coming in later in the day, you don't want to stress too much and try to hold your trades throughout. You want to take some quick day trades, make your money, and then wait for the news to come, because the news can easily go either way. So you don't want to just waste your profits on the fundamentals. The best thing you can do is just close your trades after you've made sufficient profits. Then just wait for the news to be released and you make your decisions based on the data which is actually going to be released. So now from here, all we have next is just place our trades. Then we make over 100 pips, then it eventually drops later and all of that as the fundamentals, come in. So as easy as that, another 120 pips for the day. So finally, we look at what we took this morning. So this morning, I've actually taken 2 trades. The first one was from this particular position. If you look at the screenshots, just on my support, risk to reward came in right after I got my Morningstar stop loss right at the bottom of this range, about 26-25 pips. Then I held it all the way to this particular resistance, about 60 pips. Once I took this particular trade, it was very early in the morning, so I couldn't actually send out the signal. After taking that, I realized that it was now a breakout on the resistance. Once we got the breakout, I now decided to bring in the risk to reward again. And this time I actually sent this trade out to my community. So because today is a bank holiday, I didn't actually expect to hold it for long, but right after taking this trade, this is how it also went. We got about 70-80 pips on this. So basically, this is what we've done the entirety of this trading week. Over 900 pips made trading just one single instrument. You can see we have different principles, but basically all my trades have actually been buys. The whole week, all I've done is just take buys on gold, and then every single one of them has been extremely profitable for me. So you want to also just replicate some of these strategies you've seen. Whatever makes sense for you, just try it and see if it works for you. Let me also know your thoughts in the comment section of this particular video. And then before I leave, I also want to just announce that I'm back with my mentorship session. So the July mentorship is coming up on the 25th, the 26th, as well as the 27th of this month. Before that, we'll be having a free beginner session. So you want to stick to my YouTube videos. I'll be announcing it in my next YouTube video, the date for my free beginner class. So if you're new to Forex and want to just understand the basic rudiments of the market, how everything works, just, stay glued to this channel. I know a lot of the information might sound somewhat complicated to a lot of the beginners we have on here. So I'm going to be taking time out to just have a free beginner class. It might actually be a YouTube live stream. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content I drop on YouTube. And that's a wrap on how you can make money every single day trading Forex. Remember, consistency, discipline, and the right mindset is what actually separates great traders from the others. I will actually not advise you just expect overnight riches or overnight success in trading. All you have to do is just have the right strategy and then include and then practice patience, and daily profits will actually be possible. So you want to just start with daily profits, then you can just scale up from there. If you found value in today's video, I want you to smash the like button. I also want you to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to drop a comment with your biggest takeaway from this video. If there was anything new you learned from this video, feel free to leave it in the comment section. If there's any new topic you also want me to tackle in my next YouTube video, feel free to also leave it in the comment section. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and as always, make sure you trade smart and not hard. See you all in the next video.
Call me a god.